Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about position vector and displacement vector. Last time we started with a discussion of vectors. That vectors are those quantities which have magnitudes as well as directions. And then we started about vector algebra. Okay, but in this video our main focus is position vector and displacement vector. So to begin our discussion, let us consider a two-dimensional plane. Okay, just like this paper, it's a two-dimensional plane. A wall, that's a two-dimensional plane. So have you all seen an insect crawling on a wall, a two-dimensional plane? I'm sure you all must have. So that is an example of two-dimensional motion where the object is moving within these two dimensions. So just suppose that the insect is here. Insect or anything, the object which is in motion between these two dimensions, suppose the object is here. So its initial position is A. When it is moving, suppose it has gone to position B. Fine. Now you'll be surprised to know what is position vector. If you will draw a vector connecting point O and point A, that is position vector of point A. That is a vector which is telling the position of A. Similarly, this is a vector which is telling the position of B. So OA vector is the position vector of point A. Similarly, OB vector is the position vector of point B. So just think, why am I again and again calling it as a vector? Position तो आप पहले भी बताते थे vectors की study से पहले. Actually में this is a vector because its direction is very important to specify. See, this is having a particular direction and a particular magnitude. Suppose if the insect or the object under consideration was actually not present at point A, rather the point A was somewhere here. So what would have happened? I'll tell you. This would be the position vector. This is the another direction now and another magnitude now. So yeah, position vector actually tells us the position with magnitude and direction. And what is displacement vector? See, when the object has moved from A to B, from A to B, so this is a kind of displacement that it has undergone. So AB vector is known as displacement vector. What is it known as? Displacement vector. Again, this is also a vector. Why? Because its magnitude and direction both are important. अगर object B पर ना पहुंचा होता बल्कि यहाँ पहुंच गया होता, यहाँ पर, here, then what would have happened? This would have been the position vector and this would have been the displacement vector because this much would be the displacement then. Okay, so this is the discussion of position vector and displacement vector. Now I am going to tell you something that you have to learn for a moment because its details are going to come in the topic which is far away from now. Okay, just see it, commit it to your memory, and then for sure I am going to explain from where it has come. Suppose the object was present here. This is point A. This is O, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the position vector. One more thing, since the object is lying on a plane, भाई वो space में भी lie कर सकता है, 3 dimensions में भी lie कर सकता है, but under consideration is the plane right now, a 2-dimensional plane. So this point A must be having, value also, value of abscissa and ordinate. So this has xy as the point. So now you know what will be the value of this position vector? It will be OA vector equals to xi cap plus yj cap. Yes, so this is the value of position vector. So if you want to find out position vector for any point, you should know the coordinates of that point. Okay, with the x coordinate put I cap, with the y coordinate put j cap, and that will give you overall resulting vector. For sure I'll discuss it how this comes. Fine. So this is all about position vector and displacement vector.